So the bird flu, yeah, you know, the one that's causing the airs to skyrocket, yeah, that just got much worse. So scientists are now confirming that the avian influenza is now mutating and starting to affect mammals. The first outbreak is reported in Spain, where 52,000 minks were shown to have died by the cause of bird flu. And in the United States, 3 grizzly bears have been reported to contract the avian influenza, and the report have shown that it got it from the contaminated chicken meat. So those who hunt free game animals, just beware that the avian influenza is now affecting mammals and not only birds.